Hi guys, welcome back to Beauty and the Budget, and today you are looking at me moisturizing my hair. But today for the first time I'll be using wild growth oil, and I'll be showing you how to make fenugreek water. Now fenugreek water and wild growth oil, well, I'm told they're a powerhouse and they encourage growth of the hair. So I'm going to try it, and I'm going to be trying it for the next month, and I'm going to see, if it increases the growth of my hair by the end of the period. So since I've just come out of braids, you know that braids dry out the hair. So what I'm going to be doing is showing you what I do to moisturize my hair after coming out of braids. Now I freshly washed my hair yesterday, did a light treatment, a 3-minute mask using the Cream of Nature charcoal mask. Yes, the charcoal mask. That's in another video, which I will link right here, so you can just check that out when you're done. Watch this though. When you're done. So this is my hair. It has been sprayed with a little bit of water, but I'm not finished yet because I like to soak it in. So you have your little spray bottle, and you're gonna go through and moisturize the hair. That's actually the best and cheapest way to moisturize your hair. And of course, you're going to seal in that moisture now. So for me, what I use to seal in the moisture is a moisturizer. I'm on my last, but this is what I use. This is the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. Right, so this is what I use because this one is for dry and dehydrated hair, and as you can see I have color at the tips of my hair, so I need all the hydration I can get. So here is the detangler and conditioner, and I'm just gonna rub it through the hair, moisturize it, massage it. And look here guys, don't make the shrinkage fool you, This is what some person's hair is like in the type 4 realm. Mine is, I think it's a mixture of type 4 B and C. Some parts super kinky, some parts super coily. I don't know if there's any A up in there, but so it go. That's alright. I love my hair. And shrinkage is a sign of healthy hair. So don't feel bad that the hair snapbacks too after getting wet. That means your hair healthy, right? Yeah, so this is it. Let me just give you an idea of the length, by the way. Just do a quick length check. All right, using my little, yep, that's 6 inches of hair that you're looking at. So 6 inches on that side, and let's see, 6 inches, should be 6 inches. It's a little more than 6 inches, see there, 6.5 inches on this side. So whoops, yeah, some of the water is running down. Whoops. Yeah, so I got a little bit of growth. This used to be a bang that was right up here when my hair was relaxed, and then I eventually let it grow out. So make us see now what is going on with it. Oh my, this is 7 inches of hair. Let's try that again. Put it at the root, stretch the hair, and yep, 7 inches. So good. So during the process of me using the wild growth oil and the fenugreek water, we're gonna see if there is any growth to be had. Now, as you can see, although I have put in my water and my leave-in, I'm constantly stimulating the scalp, but the best thing for me to use to do this is the silicone tip brush, which I had showed in my other video, which which is above. So I linked it in the description, and I will link it here so you can look at it. This is the heater shampoo and scalp massage brush, right? So the silicone tips are like this, so they don't catch on the hair edges or the hair ends. It doesn't cause any breakage. So I use it and just go around to stimulate the scalp and make sure to distribute the moisture and also you know that stimulating the scalp encourages the growth of your hair. So this thing has been a really good product for me, because sometimes the fingertips don't do it all. So we're almost finished with our moisturizing process, guys. I'm gonna make some fenugreek water. Fenugreek is beneficial for hair growth. It is like an anti-inflammatory, like tea tree oil. It is it's antifungal, right? It's good for scalp, and of course, you know that anything that is good for the scalp encourages hair growth. And it also has a lot of vitamin A and vitamin K, potassium also included. All right, so you can do some more research on fenugreek. It's a whole heap of benefits. It do everything except cure world peace, but I've been hearing so much about it, I decided, all right, let me try it. May I go try it? Yeah, so here we go. So this is the plain water. This is another spray bottle for my mixology projects. And then you're gonna take your fenugreek. By the way, this is what it looks like. It kind of has a consistency looking like turmeric powder or curry powder, but it smells like pancake syrup. Yeah, you know the fancy pancake syrup I used to get from foreign? Yeah, it smells like that. So I'm opening my fenugreek powder, and I have a tiny little spoon here. This is from another container of something that I used. Woo! So I have a heaping teaspoonful here. Here we go. And I'm going to put this in my bottle. So I put 1. And I'm going to put 2. This thing here now costs approximately $825. That's where how much I bought it for. I bought it at a pharmacy in Kingston. So if you're going like any health food store or any pharmacy that have a health food section, you will see the fenugreek powder. All right, so I put in 2 little teaspoons and I shake it up. The reason I don't put any more is because it will leave, what do you call it now, sediments. Yeah, I don't want it to leave like flakes or anything in my hair. And this is enough. I mean, less is more. Look at that. I don't need no more than this. This is my fenugreek water. So here is the softer and more dense and flourishing hair. So see it now, guys. So I'm gonna spray a little bit of fenugreek water in there. Now what is going to happen with this little challenge that I'm doing, I am going to be spraying this water every day for 30 days. Yes, sir. For 30 days. And at the end of the 30 days, you guys will see. So between the fenugreek water and the wild growth oil, we will see what the fuss is all about. We gonna see. All right. Yeah. So the ear feels nice and moisturized, revitalized. Yeah. It has in the water, it has in a little leave-in conditioner in cream, a cream leave-in conditioner. As I showed you before, this is the one that I use, the Cream of Nature. I love this line, by the way, because it really does make a difference in the moisturizing of my hair. And you see me rubbing out my fingertip? No, honey, no. So at every stage, I just take a little bit. I just take my little scalp massager and just take my time and stimulate the scalp. And finally, guys, for the coup de grace, we are going to use our wild growth oil. Now, the wild growth oil, I've been hearing a lot of fuss on it. Now, if you see it online, you can read up on it. You see a lot of people saying that it grows their hair in a short place of time. It works for both relaxed, luxed, hair that is in protective styles, hair that is texturized, hair that is natural. It says that you should shake it well, apply it through the entire hair, and use it 3 times per week for the first month. All right. And it has in coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba, rice bran. Oh, so maybe that's why it make your hair grow faster, because it having the rice, and everybody knows the rice water, the protein from the rice and so on, increases growth. It has in cocoa butter. It has in rose hip oil, and rose hip is very good for hair growth. Pumpkin seed, yeah, pumpkin encourages hair growth. So if you can't find pumpkin seed to eat your pumpkin, drink up a little pumpkin in the soup. It does encourage hair growth. I remember one time my hairdresser told me a long time, and from that I was stuck on pumpkin. All my dog names so. All right, so it has in mushroom extract, chickpea, lentil, cocoa mass, sesame seed. It has a eucalyptus oil, you know that, you know, it's very tingly, smells nice. Lavender and peppermint oil, and peppermint oil encourages growth. So, according to what the people them say, shake up the bottle. Okay, so my hair looking springy. I soon color my hair, guys. I tell you guys I was going to color it, right? I soon color it. Soon. I promise. I'm going to let y'all see another coloration again. Because the last one that I did on camera, this is the one, and it's grown all the way out. That video is right here, so you can look at my hair fail with the color, which has now grown out. All right, so what I'm gonna do, put a little bit here at the edges, because I don't know what's the situation, but every time I braid my hair, it thins. So this is what the oil looks like, by the way. I don't know if you can see, but this is the consistency. So it's thick, it's very viscous, and it smells nice. I hear some people complaining about the smell, that it smells bad and blah blah blah, but no. So you just put a little tip. You're not going to pour anything. It has a little nozzle, so you literally can put just the amount that you need. So I put a little tip. And remember, guys, that is expensive, so you don't want to kill it one shot. What I'm doing is I'm putting it in the points where I can distribute it to my whole hair, and areas that I know I need a little help, like at the front where there's, you know, it's not as full. Each time I come out of braids, I don't know, I feel like the braids sometimes make right there kind of thin. And the back of the hair, yeah, it smells good. Feels tingly, and oh my gosh, my hand heavy. You guys see me using up all of the oil, right? And this is what it looks like liquid gold. And for good measure, because they said not only can you put it in your scalp, you can put it on the hair shaft itself. I am running it through my hair, and now I have my little brush, my scalp brush. So with the tingling of the oil, and the stimulation of the scalp brush, we know so the hair I get a little spa day on its own. Look at that. Springy and hydrated. Ooh, looky there. Look at that. Look at all that. Right? And as a further step now, what you can do is choose to twist your hair in a style, but me, I am going to allow my hair to remain like this. Oops, something just flew on the screen. So I'm gonna allow my hair to remain like this until it's semi-damp, and then back to Bonnet City I go. That is my lazy girls hair moisture routine. So my question, will the fenugreek give me any increased inches to my hair? Will the wild growth oil? Let's see what the fuss is about. So join me next time on Beauty and the Budget, and yeah, we're gonna see. Come on, gonna do one next lens check. So thank you guys for stopping by. If you like this video, please hit the like button. All right, so let me know what you think, and if there's anything else that you think that I could have added to my routine. All right, so until next time, ciao.